This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on your Samsung phone. So this is no longer complicated in any way. All you have to do is go over to the Google Play Store now, and then go to search, and you can just type in Fortnite. So this has been on the Google Play Store for maybe about a year or two. And then we can just go to Fortnite game, and then we should be able to locate it. So we can see Epic Games right here. We can just download it and install it. And then we can download Fortnite through here. So if you don't want to download it through the Google Play Store by getting the Epic Game Store on here, you do have the option to go to Google and then just type in Fortnite. And we should be able to find it right here, Fortnite Online Game. Now it does bring you to the Google Play Store under here. We can just go to install and it should pop it open. Your device isn't compatible with. So sometimes your device will not be compatible with it, but you can still play it. You can just go to epicgames.com or what looks like www.fortnite.com right here. Let's go here. And then we can still install it through the Epic Games website. So we can just go to install on the top. Now you have to allow the permissions to download it through your specific source. So you can see I can just download it right here, get started. And it should open up a download link for me. Well, it looks like I have to sign in. But to get this, what you want to do is go to the top right and go to settings. And then we are wanting to go down to privacy and security, or security and privacy. And we want to allow install unknown apps. So on my Samsung phone, I believe this is under more security settings. And then going down. And there should be an option, install unknown apps. And whatever web browser you're using, just make sure it's checkmarked. So I'm just going to checkmark it. Chrome checkmark. And then here's Epic Game Store. Make sure you checkmark that too. And then once you have that checkmark, you can install APKs from unknown sources. Then we can go to Files. Go to My Files or Files. And then go to Downloads. And you should be able to see the Epic Game Store in here. And then you can just tap it. And then you can start downloading. It looks like I need to have my files set up as install unknown apps as well. So make sure you do those three things. Install all unknown apps for your My Files or Files, your web browser, or anything else you're going to be using. And Epic Games as well once you download it. Then we can just update it. And I should be able to download Fortnite through here now. So just look at those couple different options. If it's not in the Google Play Store, you should be able to still play on your device. Or you can at least download it and try. It might be slow and laggy. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.